A bright pink tricycle RV camper rolls down a quiet countryside road, sunlight glinting off its glossy paint as birds chirp in the distance. The camera pans around to show its compact but eye-catching shape. Welcome back to Car AutoPulse. Today, we're checking out something truly unique, the Pink Tricycle RV Camper. It's small, it's stylish, and it's built for those who want freedom, adventure, and personality all in one fun little package. This compact three-wheeled camper isn't just transportation, it's a mobile lifestyle, perfect for solo travelers or couples who want to hit the road with charm and simplicity. From the outside, the Pink Tricycle RV Camper immediately grabs attention. Its pastel pink finish isn't just bold, it's joyful. The design features two stable front wheels and one at the rear, giving it a balanced, confident stance. Up front, it has circular LED headlights, a small curved windshield, and chrome accents that sparkle in the sun. The body is lightweight, made from durable fiberglass, keeping it easy to handle and efficient to move. Along the sides, the clean curves give it a sleek, retro-inspired look. The small door opens into a surprisingly functional cabin space, while the rear section holds the camper setup. The back includes a lift-up hatch that transforms into a mini living area, complete with a sleeping spot, foldable table, and storage compartments. Some versions even come with roof racks or a solar panel setup, adding both style and practicality. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cozy interior that feels playful yet functional. The cabin is decorated in matching pink and white tones, with soft lighting that gives it a warm glow at night. The driver's seat is positioned high for better visibility, and the digital dashboard provides basic information like speed, battery level, and trip distance. Behind the seat lies the camper module, a small but clever space designed for comfort. There's a fold-out bed for one or two people, hidden storage spaces for essentials, and compact kitchen utilities like a portable stove and mini fridge in some models. It's tiny, but everything feels perfectly arranged to make the most of the available space. Performance-wise, the Pink Tricycle RV Camper is all about easy cruising. Depending on the setup, it can be powered by a small gasoline engine or an electric motor. Gas models typically use 150cc to 200cc engines, good for city rides and open road journeys, with a top speed of around 50 to 55 miles per hour. The electric versions are whisper quiet, offering up to 80 miles of range per charge, ideal for eco-friendly travelers who love peaceful rides. Handling is light and stable thanks to its three-wheel design, and braking feels smooth and reliable. Whether you're navigating tight streets or rolling through country roads, it feels nimble and easy to control. The suspension setup ensures comfort on uneven surfaces, making every trip enjoyable. Now, let's talk about price. The Pink Tricycle RV Camper's biggest appeal is that it brings adventure without the big cost. Basic models start around $6,000 to $8,000, while electric or upgraded versions range from $10,000 to $14,000. Fully customized versions with solar power and upgraded interiors can go up to $18,000, still far cheaper than traditional campers or RVs. The Pink Tricycle RV Camper isn't about speed or luxury, it's about personality, freedom, and joy. It's perfect for people who love to stand out, travel smart, and make every journey memorable. Whether you're camping by the beach, exploring quiet backroads, or just chasing sunsets, this little pink camper turns every trip into a story worth sharing. Closing cinematic. The Pink Tricycle RV Camper parked near the ocean at sunset, soft lights glowing. Inside as waves crash gently in the background.